welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Logitech G Hub not opening or not working. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to do if you're having this problem is to apply some preliminary fixes. So you should first rule out minor glitches preventing the LG Hub client from fully loading. And to do that, just apply the following fixes right here. So first, just close the Logitech G Hub client first. Open the system task tray and right click the client's icon and click the quit option. So just restart the application afterward. And after you done that, you can also try to unplug all gear you intend to optimize using the Logitech G Hub client and restart the client. And you can also try to close any other applications running in parallel with the Hub client, especially those currently using the peripherals you wish to customize in the client. And lastly is to clean boot Windows 10 or Windows 11. So this will terminate all third-party services, allowing Windows to run with only necessary drivers and softwares. And if these fixes did not resolve the issue, just start applying the remaining fixes, which is to restart the Logitech G Hub client as administrator. So most third-party apps that modify system or hardware settings in the operating system require administrative runs or rights to function correctly. So it is thus imperative that they are run as administrators with the privilege to alter system files. So if you aren't running the Logitech Hub or G Hub client as administrator, just follow the steps right here. So in the Windows search, type Logitech G Hub and right click onto the client icon and click Run as Administrator right here. And in the User Account Control window, just click Yes button. So if giving the administrator privileges also doesn't work and the client still remains stuck on the loading screen, try the next fix, which is to close the Logitech Hub or GHub related processes in the task manager. So closing the Logitech GHub client itself often does terminate the associated processes. Therefore, you must manually close them. To do that, right click onto the Windows Start button and simply select Task Manager. Check the Task Manager for any Logitech GHub client processes. Locate the processes and click onto them and select End Tasks. So right here, as for example, I have here in the photo, so most likely you'll find three processes there, which is the LG Hub, LG Hub Agent, and the LG Hub Updater. So close them and run the client again as administrator, and this will automatically restart the recently closed processes, which may help you resolve the issue. So that's it for this video. Those are all the steps that you can do if you're having the problem. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.